My name is Constantine Azar. I'm the co-founder of New Bakery here in Zagreb, Croatia. I was born and raised in London. I came here just about 3.5 to 4 years ago. I spent a lot of time between London and Zagreb. Walnut, cashews, pistachios, all different types of baklava. We have different levels of syrup now. We also have chocolate-coated baklava. Last year, I think I calculate we produced nearly 22 million pieces, individual pieces of baklava. We have the highest standards when it comes to food, cleanliness, hygiene, processes as well. Everything is traced from the beginning to the end. And so if you pick up a pack of our baklava, for example, we can trace it almost back to the farm of where the nut or the flour came from through our traceability system. The reason why we've become very successful, we're almost doubling year on year our sales, is because we research the market, we ask what the market wants, we tailor make recipes, we produce a consistent product. So if you take a pack of baklava today and a pack in 6 months' time, you try the product, it'll be exactly the same taste, and that's what people expect. Last year, 100% of our business was export. We supply companies like Marks and Spencer's, Aldi, Costco UK, Costco Europe, Costco America. We've done Japan as well. Now I've been here for nearly 3.5, 4 years. I spent time between London and Zagreb and Croatia. I've become more and more emotionally attached to Croatia. And I think I'll be staying here for a long while.